the warmest of welcomes to you. We await the conclusion of the pre-game formalities. I'm your commentator, Peter Drury, and providing his unique brand of expert analysis, here's Jim Beglin.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Drury, and hello to everyone.
Then the lineups for this game. Down to business here. And the through ball is intercepted. Now the pass. It's it out wide now. Hurls himself at it! He scored! The breakthrough strike! Spectacular header. He really flung himself at that.
He had a choice in front of volley that and get his head to it. I'm pleased to say he took the right option. It's a great one.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
And that ought to be the trigger for a really exciting and entertaining game from here on.
And that's a throw. Into the area, and back out it comes. Estienne. It's a delicate ball. Well blocked. Back out it comes. Top save! That shot was travelling. It's gone a long way up and away. Referee's given it throw. Scored inside the first 10 minutes to give them a 1-0 lead. Promising move that. Good inroads into enemy territory, but no joy. Looks like a good ball through. Never goes straight through to the keeper. Out wide to the right. Passes it through. He's played him through. He's making good use of his strength there. Just refuses to be out-muscled. He's there to make a great save.
He made that look really easy, Peter, but I can assure you that wasn't a routine save. He had to be very switched on there.
The goalkeeper's to play. Good running with the ball. Can they build on it? On the right flank. Now, what's next? In he flies! Oh, not the best of headers. throw in. Keeper's ball. Tries a through ball. Pops it upfield. Plays it out to the wing. Tries to stroke it through. Oh, well defended. That had to be done. One way of trying to make things happen. There's a few who could follow that example. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Brings it forward, gets it back. That's a foul, free kick's been given. Gets into the right position to intercept. Battles to win it back. To slip it through. Now the pass. Long and forward. Still going. Where to next? Ball swung in. Really didn't have enough to concern the defence. Try from distance. Oh, and they really should have been made to pay. Towards the front, sticks in a foot to win it back. Forward it goes. Can he find a finish now? Here's the ball in. And that's been repelled. And it's Essien. It's Essien! A really close shave, and the last action of the first half.
Well, this team has found a real rhythm to their game. The players seem to have clicked well. There's good movement off the ball. The passes are sticking. No one's afraid to have a go.
Leading a cagey game here. It's had its moments, and it's 1-0 at break.
Well, 1-0 may be good enough, so they may err on the side of caution and get more players to keep the ball instead of running beyond it. They could even try to destroy it.
Tries the through ball. Taking it forward quickly. Challenge, he just stood firm.
power and that fighting spirit has to be matched.
Fine defending there. Gives us some space. Split it through. Saved only by 4 finishing. Pulled back for that one. Oh, that's a good big ball, isn't it?